What is it secretly stealing through the woods at night? Or who is it? Let's watch. It's Mr. Burnett, one of the South's greatest enemies. He's the malicious woods burner who deliberately sets fire to thousands of acres of southern forests every year. And wherever Mr. Burnett goes, tremendous waste follows. Valuable woodlands are ruined by fire, destroying the natural beauty of the landscape and the raw materials for many of our important industries, like pulp and paper, furniture, and lumber. Who is this Mr. Burnett anyway? He's everyone who's a malicious woods burner. And one thing about him is certain. He must be stopped. You can help catch Mr. Burnett and bring him to justice. Be on the lookout for Mr. Burnett everywhere. Help Smokey Bear prevent forest fires in the South.